Hey, what is it guys? My name is Eric and welcome to a real quick Minecraft tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install different mods for Forge. If you don't already have Forge installed, I have made a tutorial on how to install Forge, which will be linked down in the description. So, assuming that you already have Forge installed, navigate your way to the source of mods that you like to use. I recommend using curseforge.com. This will be down in the description as well. From here, go down to all versions and find the version of Minecraft and Forge that you're using. In my case, it's 1.16.5, and find the mod that you're looking to install. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just gonna pick a random mod, the Just Enough Items mod, which seems to be the most popular mod for Minecraft. So go down to Files from here and download the appropriate game version file. So for me, it will be game version 1.16.5. And press on the download button here. Now you need to wait a couple of seconds for the download to begin. Once the download has completed, navigate your way to the downloads folder and drag and drop the file onto your desktop. You can also open up another file explorer, but this makes it a bit quicker and easier. Once you've got it on your desktop, press on this PC and at the top search bar simply type in %apedata%. Find the top Minecraft and find the folder called mods. If you don't already have a folder called mods, you can simply make one by right clicking on the side here, pressing a new and folder and naming it mods all lowercase. Once you navigate your way to the mods folder, all you have to do is drag and drop the mod into the folder and it should be done and installed. Now all you have to do is open up Minecraft, make sure to run the Forge version that you installed the mod for and check that the mod worked. If the installation of the mod was successful, you should be able to see it under the mods tab here. And as you can see, Just Enough Items has installed and no error messages were given to me when I was launching Minecraft. So that's it for today's tutorial. Hopefully it was helpful to you. If you passed, please click that like button down below as it helps me out a lot. If you have any questions or suggestions for the future videos or whatever, then leave those in the comment section down below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.